Yo, what's up, guys? Looking now here at S&P mini S&P 500. As you can see, I've already opened a couple of trades here. So here I was shorting where I was stopped out for 5 ticks. Then at a higher price I got short again and took my profits at 5 ticks, and then around 9 ticks, I believe it was. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so 5 and 10. Then I was opening a long, but it was a counter trend trade, so I wanted to secure my a little bit take profit as it went up, and I got stopped out with +1 tick, so it's basically enough to pay for the trade, the commission to the broker, and also to get few bucks extra for coffee. Then I missed this trade as I had to leave my computer. I knew when to leave, and then on a retest I went long, where I got also filled 5 ticks and 7 ticks. Now I'm basically waiting for the price to go a little bit lower, where I'll just go long again. Why do I want to go long? I'll show you here on my 5-minute chart. We have a price here at 21.50. So the price went down, created a double bottom, and didn't break it lower to make a new low, and it went higher to retest this high. And so I just believe that it might be a trend now, bullish trend. I mean, everything is short term because it's just a 5-minute chart. We have here a resistance zone which is holding the price to go further to the upside, and we have here some area range in a range, so I'm not really jumping into any trades until I'll get a confirmation from my strategy. The strategy is pretty simple. It's a scalping strategy. It's not good for Forex, as I've used it before for Forex. I mean, I tested it, and it didn't work, just because the spread might be too big for in Forex and so on. But it's a good strategy, for example, for futures trading. So this is a Bollinger Band tool. It's standard 20 and 2, and this is my RSI. I set the RSI to 9 instead of standard 14 period, and instead of 70 and 30 I changed to 80 and 20. So basically, when the price goes, like for example here, to the upside, it breaks the Bollinger Bands, and also it creates it's in an overbought area, and it creates maybe a divergence on an RSI and just go short. And yeah, that's how it works. The same here, you can see. It's not a strategy where you are jumping for a big movements. It's more, just like I said before, it's good just for scalping. So you're just taking few ticks. Basically, my stop is at 5 ticks. My first target is at 5 ticks, and my second target is at 10 pips. That's what I use. That's how I trade. When my first when my first take profit is hit, or target is hit, then I move my stop loss to +1 or +2 ticks, so I'll secure the trade, and then I'm heading for the 10 ticks for the another target. If it gets hit, here that's a great example. Selling price and then it went lower, 5 ticks, 10 ticks. Thank you. Goodbye. So I'm opening my trade. I'll try to get hit. So I got hit. Now I want to see how it plays out. I'll lower my stop loss because of the volume here, and like that. So a little bit of an adjustment. Break even here. Let's see how it plays out, if the price will go even lower or not, or if it will go higher. I'd like to see it to go higher, of course. So my target is here at 30 and then at 28. As you can see, 28 and 30. So I want to see retest of these levels. Currently I'm down again, which is okay. We have here a level of 25 retested, which is a good psychological level. Let's see if it's a good support. If it breaks down, then I'll see there's a resistance level, or a support which will become resistance. Only if the price will break below this level, then I'll say okay, it's bearish trend, and I'll just go with short. So even if I open a trade and I lose, it's okay, because I always have a backup plan, and I always think at least a step ahead. So I just create a plan, like if I get stopped out, I don't jump into a new trade right away, because there is no sense to do so, but I'm already thinking, alright, if right now I'm long, right, and if it goes up, I know this is a movement to the upside. This was just a retest and it wants to go up. Maybe it will try to test the 50 level. If I get stopped out and the price will go lower, I'll just, switch to the bearish trend. So I'll just will be looking for shorts, but only if it breaks these levels here. If it breaks these levels, then I'll say okay, perhaps the price wants to go lower and retest the 800 level, which is a great level from a psychological perspective. So let's see how it will play out, right? Right now I'm up 1 tick, meaningless. I was up 2 ticks, now I'm at break even. Let's see if I hit a good price. Perhaps the best price was here, 25.25, but it's okay. If the price will be held around here, so between 26 and 25, I won't be trying to add to the trade, because I'll be like, yeah, maybe this is a better setup or a better price to go long. No, I'm not adding to my losing trade. So if I'm like right now, I'm down 3 ticks, I'm not adding. No, 2 ticks, I'm not adding any longs, because I don't want to double my loss in case it goes lower. So I stick to my plan, and I will see how it will play out. Yeah, it's a shitty trade. It's very slow. It's not doing much for me. Looking at it, I'm at break even plus 1 tick. I'm moving my take profits because it's not doing much, and you know. So I closed one lot for 1, 2, 3 ticks. So it's 37.50 minus like $4 commission, so 33.50 around, plus this trade. So okay, I'm closing it because, you know, it was a slow, shitty, pardon my French, trade. It's not a real scalp. You know, scalping for me is completely different. This is a little bit slow, and I don't like to be long open to the market because anything can happen, and it's not good, you know, to be open like that. Unless it shoots up, I don't know, 10 ticks and I move my stop loss to plus 5 ticks, let's say, then it's a different story, you know. I secure my trade, and then, you know, I don't care. If it goes up, it goes up, you know, I just take advantage of that. It's kind of moving. Yeah, now it's moving up. But look at that movement. Great thing would be if the trade would just go, or not the trade, but the price would go about this level. Then I would be just, you know, certain that, yeah, this wants to go higher, and I'll just, you know, take advantage of it. Perhaps up to the 5th level. Why not? Why not? But you can see how my strategy works. So I was down 1, 2, 3, 4 ticks. I was down 4 ticks, and it went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ticks. If it will go now higher, I don't know. I'll just wait for another movement. If it works out, I'll just wait a little bit, not jumping into it right now. Studies. Chat settings. Guys, range bar. I might show you then later on also different strategy that I used to use for scalping for E-mini Dow Jones. It was great for Dow Jones. I was trading Dow Jones for a long time, just Dow Jones, and I still stick to the equities, but not equities, but indices. But now it's more S&P, Nasdaq. Yeah, depends. I don't trade Russell for some reason, and I don't know why. I don't trade Russell. Oops, my bad. Okay, wait. Okay, as you can see, you know, trading is not just pushing the trades. It's not about the volume to have as many trades as possible, because it doesn't make you rich, it doesn't make you money. What makes money is a good setup, and to wait for the setup, because you might be jumping into any movement and you might wipe out your account, you know. if you have a setup, if you have a strategy, you tested the strategy, you know if it works, if it doesn't, then you know you just wait, so the price goes exactly where you want it to be, and you just enter the trade. That's what counts, you know, to have the trade, which is exactly the way you want it to be, you know. Don't force the trade, you know. Don't force yourself to open a trade because you are a trader and you think you have to have a trade, you know. If the market doesn't feel like, you know, or the setup is not good enough, then just don't force it, you know, just back away, you know, and wait for the moment when it suits you best and then open the trade, you know. Sometimes less means more. Just pity that I was closing this trade here. I still could be in a trade and still make money, more money, but it's okay, you know. You can see I had here a couple of trades. So one loss, and here is a win, here is almost break even, here is a win, and here was a win. Not a big one, but always a little bit. Just like you eat a pie, you know, you take a bite here, you take a bite there, and then you just, you know, have a full stomach. So kind of have here price at 20, 28, 25 where it struggles to go higher. You can see on the other side that it kind of makes a top, which might be false, who knows. I might be shorting it for 1, 2, 3, 4 tick stop loss, but then again my take profit would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just looking at that, you know, it's kind of stopped. Same here. I know it's a European session, so it's low. The volatility is low. I get that. We have a market opening in 5 minutes. It's actually 8:55. It's just this is London time, so it's 7:55. Okay, so we had okay, yeah. Okay, that's what I was saying. Anyways, I'm not perfect, so you can see I missed that. I was thinking about it and still I missed it, you know. How good am I, right? Damn it. Anyways, doesn't mean that, oh, because I have a candle like that I'm gonna jump into a short right now. No, it's just too late for that. So let's see how it plays out, you know. We have here some kind of a range. Nothing's happening. It's good for scalping, you know, to go from here to there and so on, but I'm more of a breakout guy, so I'm waiting for a breakout, retest, so I know for certain where the price wants to go, in which direction. Right now, you know, I'm scalping the 1 minute chart and, you know, take a bite here, take a bite there. as you can see, my stream is a little bit shitty just because I'm not a pro in graphics and so on. I'm just a trader, you know. The bigger traders, they have their own graphics guys and so on. I just don't need it, you know. I trade. If I'm in the mood, I just stream my trading. Today I was in the mood like let's do it, but I don't do it all the time. Okay. So what do we have there? Right, market movement. It's not okay with my setup, so even if there's a good scalp, I'm not taking it. Alright, 26.25. Previously there was this 26 level and it was a great level to go short. See, I took the short here at 26. I was down just one tick and then it just went down, bum bum bum.
Senza che stanza, quando tornano a scuola, quando stanno a basso bar e mettono mano in pistola, droga e tutta la di storia. A terra in camicia scoria ci portiamo pure giuro, o pensiamo tutto quanto ma non dice mai nessuno. Noi teniamo una domanda, ma chi giudica, e oggi casa fuori rimane, è logica che si rimane in erba.
1 minute is too for the market open.
Una speranza, per campare mana, una speranza, per campare mana. Ma non sai che sta cava sulla perché rimane. Una speranza, per campare mana, una speranza, per campare mana. Una speranza, per campare mana. Ma non sai che sta cava sulla perché rimane. Faccio manca che sono che sei, straccio l'anno ma torno a casa, straccio per tutti i giorni a casa, faccio quando non dormo, guarda un faccio quando ti stunga pa, raggio ma buffet bomba che, plancia i zeri sono a me, nacci che ti fanno una vita facile, non ti piace, tutti squadri rindallaci, ti voto non mi capaci, ti voto non trovo pace, voglio una prospettiva, prosperità attiva, guarda figlio ma mattina, pronto per una tua stina, ma stiva, e castiga stirpe, no vinto festina, ti stira, istiga rivoluzione, per ogni persona, voglio benessere in sto cesso, non voglio comprensione, brutto te fottuto buono, o brutto fa tutto l'amore, o lutto ti aiuta t'amore, mi sfutta l'umore, lascia dura la speranza, che creatura rinda panza, posso solo guardare innanzi, rete cari in tua vacanza. Una speranza, per campare mana, una speranza, per campare mana, una speranza, per campare mana, ma non sai che sta cava sulla perché rimane, una speranza, per campare mana, una speranza, per campare mana, una speranza, per campare mana, ma non sai che sta cava sulla perché rimane. Basta che fila, che prezzo è l'affitto, ramella e merda git, ma basta che vita. E cosa non cagnano e noi alluccam, solo quando vuoi ci stanno tu cani. Lo stato da poi le con palla in capo, tu scini e ti sballa con chi non sa. Perché non può sapere frate rinunciato, tieni i giorni con me soldi in da sacca contata.
Move on up. So we see it wants to go up again. Nice, nice. There's the break I was waiting for. But must also close above. See the buyers, 31. A lot of buyers. Try to take a quick short. Might be a bit risky, but it's okay. So I took a short at 75, which is exactly here. Because it's a bit risky, I'll just move my stop loss here. Okay, first take profit, and my stop loss 2 ticks. So I still make some money. So now I have a it's a good setup. 3 ticks, right? I'm okay with 3 ticks. I already closed one contract for 5 ticks, another contract that's for 10 ticks, or stop loss 3 ticks. Let's see how it will play out. Nice, nice, nice. But that's a good scalp, you know. It was quick. It went fast down. I didn't even go 1 tick. It didn't really go 1 tick against me. So this was a scalp that, you know, I am like, yeah, it's good, it's good. I like it, you know. Okay, and I'm out. So I took 4 and 5 ticks, which is okay. But that was quick, you know. That's what I like. When I open a trade and go straight where I want it to go, and you know, quick in and out. Thank you, goodbye. You know, that's what I really like. So I see on YouTube there is a little bit of a struggle. Don't know why is it happening. I'm not the tech guy, so sorry about it. But still, it will be recorded, it will be there on the YouTube. We'll see how it will look there. Alright, so I see you again. See here, the RSI, it almost makes the same level, but here the price, divergence, could be. Alright, the price goes up, price goes up. You see, when the price went down, I quickly secured the not the take profit but the stop loss for at least 1 tick, because it was a counter trend, you know. You can see here it wants to go up, so shorts are very risky, and I'm just taking quick scalps for shorts. But I'm still waiting more for a downward movement where I can go long, and this time I'll take a big long because I already see here the break above this resistance, which became now support, and in a couple of minutes, maybe 15-20 minutes, we'll see a retest, or we might see a retest of this level where I would happily go long, try to grab the 50 level. Who knows, it might work, you know, might not, who knows, but it's okay. Alright, so we make a new high here, and I just want to see, based on the strategy at top, where I would just go short something like this, and again, if it will go my way, just, I don't know, 2 ticks, 3 ticks, I'll just secure it because it's a risky movement, you know. Okay, I'll try here at 275. Let's see if I get filled. Okay, I got filled. So now let's see, you know, if it goes lower, I'll secure it. If not, I'll get stopped out, and you know, I'll just leave it be. I know it's a risky trade, so you know, I'm not gonna cry if I lose, because before I open the trade, you know, it's like I agreed to take the risk. That's what makes me professional, you know. I show my trades here, and you know, if I lose, I'm not gonna erase the remove the video like the gurus, you know, they just show the profits, you know. Losing is part of the game. So I was up 2 ticks, now I'm down 2 ticks, down 1 tick, so we are at 33. Now it's a break even, which is still a loss because I will have to pay the commission. Alright. So let's see if it's a good place, you know, to go short here. Let's see. Okay. Right now break even. Nothing interesting. Let's see. So I just might go. Okay, so I got stopped out. Happens. But as you can see here, it still creates some kind of a divergence, you know, like the RSI doesn't make here a new high, but the price does, so it's kind of divergence there. Let's see how the candle will close. If it will close like here, for example, the 33.75 or like that, you know, then I might go short again. There are still bulls here, were sellers now. Buyers are jumping in. Okay, no, it's not okay for me. Not okay for me to go short right now. it's not okay. You can see here the break. Wow, clearly great break. 35, 35, 25. Let's see what the candle will do. There are still buyers. Buyers. You see, that's why stick to your plan and you don't move your stop loss, because it goes against you. You know, it's better to get stopped out with a small loss than, you know, to hold it and pray for the price to go back. You know, it's not worth it. Alright, so we might see something here. Let's see how the candle will play out. Let's see how it will play out. $25 and $50, look at I'll go short here because I see every time it goes, the price goes higher, they're adding the shorts here. So you see, every single time. Okay. No, thank you. Okay, let's see. So some guy is willing to go long. Back here, 2 ticks. It's not a revenge trade for this trade, you know, it's not, you know, I just based on the strategy. So let's see how it will play out. 2 ticks, 1 tick, 2 ticks, 3 ticks. So it's 3 ticks now. I'll move my stop loss only when I'll hit the first target. I'm not gonna move it faster or before that. Okay. Okay. Got stopped out. Alright. I'll just drop it for now. I'll just drop it. It's okay. So the bulls are in control. No reason to, you know, to get the revenge or whatever. No reason. The bulls are controlling the market right now. Okay, so that was a quick look how I trade. You can see it doesn't always work out, but then again, you know, those 3 last trades were pretty risky, you know, because it was against the trend, so, you know, I was willing to take the risk. Okay, so thank you guys, whoever is watching. And I'll check in soon again at the American session